Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from crypto.com to your bank account. Alright, so there are some few steps that you can follow to withdraw money from crypto.com to your bank account. So I'm just going to show you an article since the crypto.com website is not available in my country. So here, this is an official article from crypto.com. So here we have a question: how can I withdraw funds back to my bank account? So there are some steps that you can follow so you can withdraw money from crypto.com to bank account. So first, what you have to do is go to your wallet, and what you can do is tap on the transfer, withdraw, or fiat. So now what you can do is from your try balance, tap withdraw try, and then review the withdrawal process and tap on withdraw now. So next what you can do is input the withdrawal amount and select the bank account you are trying to withdraw the funds to. So next what you can do is review and confirm the withdrawal request, and finally the staffs from crypto.com will notify with the withdrawal process themselves. So that's it. That is how you will be able to withdraw money from crypto.com to bank account. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.